Clock. Oh no, I haven't got a pencil.
Can you help you with my notebook multi-use? Not. Is it very good and very useful?
Notebook multi, but how this work?
It was giving you unit.
Notebook multi-uses. Give me a one pencil. Bam. Oh, this notebook multi-uses is fantastic.
Oh no, I haven't got a rubber. Notebook multi-uses. Give me one rubber. Bam.
Wow, but how
Much
much
is it?
is it?
Is it 25 dollars?
Okay. Your invention.